Welcome everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain a question in this video, and the question is the speed of sound is maximum in, and the options are option A air, option B solid, option C water, option D both water and solid. Okay, so we know that the speed of sound is the distance traveled by the sound in a given amount of time. Okay, and the speed of sound is maximum in solids, then liquid, and slowest in gases among the three. Okay, so means speed of sound जो होती है वो maximum होती है solid में, then liquid में, and then gases में. So therefore the answer is B. Hence the answer is B. I hope you have understood the question. Thank you.